Hi, I hope you're all having a wonderful day today. Today's video is going to be an unbagging, not an unboxing, from Louis Vuitton because they were completely out of boxes. So I was hoping to go out tonight, look at this bag, and go out to eat with my husband. We did go out to eat. I had a pomegranate martini. If I seem a little bit overly happy tonight, that is why. It was happy hour. It was really good. I did not have two. It was tempting. I did not have two. But we went in to look at this bag first. He wasn't going to come in the store with me. I absolutely insisted because he is the most ultimate honest person. He's not into this stuff and he will tell you if it's cute or if it's not cute. He agreed with me that it was cute. So I went in really thinking I probably wouldn't end up with this. I loved it so much. It came home with me. So let's get into it. So I saw everybody leaving the store with a lot of tissue paper and a huge bag. And I'm like, you're out of boxes, aren't you? Apparently, the whole United States is, from what I was told. But I did get a dust bag. You can't see me, this box. So the bag is so huge. Not a box, it's a bag. Okay, get this out of the way. So there is my receipt. I was not planning on purchasing any more bags this year. This is a new release, and when I saw it, I had to go try it on. Again, I didn't think I would get it, but I did. So if you're new to my channel, my name's Melinda. If you're returning, welcome back. If you like these kind of videos, I do unboxings, I do luxury reviews, a lot of jewelry. I would love it if you take the time to hit that subscribe button down below, and let's get into this. I'm really excited about this. It looked amazing when I saw it in a video, which I will get to that in a moment, but even more amazing in person. And it is the new model Odeon PM in the monogram and the noir print. Noir is not a print. In the monogram print with noir. I told you I had a martini. Anyways, it's absolutely stunning. I saw Jerusha Couture unbox this a few days ago, and when she put it on for her modeling shots, I was like, it's a really cute bag. But when she did the modeling shots, I was just like, I have never seen a crossbody bag lay so nicely next to your body. So tonight I carried my Montaigne BB, and I did wear it crossbody. It's boxy and it sticks out a lot. It looks a whole lot better handheld. I did handheld 50% of the time and crossbody 50% of the time. But I kind of have a hole in my wardrobe for a neutral crossbody vacation bag. Even though we're not traveling, I'm waiting for the day. So, and I also don't have any black and monogram anymore. I did have the My World Tour Speedy in the size 30, and the initials on that turned pink. The bag was deemed defective, and so I ended up getting store credit for that. So I am just not into vachetta. I don't like dealing with the rain. It was raining today, so I was planning on using my Birkin for the first time, and it didn't come out with me. It was an 80% chance of rain. It sprinkled. Nothing really happened, but you never know here. You just never know. So let's get into the details of this. You get this cute little luggage tag with the raised gold LV. And then there is a magnetic pocket here. And this side of it is lined in fabric, and this side is the monogram canvas. This canvas is super squishy, and it's going to be very comfortable crossbody. One of the things that my husband actually liked about the bag were these two zippers, and I was not sure about that when I was watching her unboxing, but they are very smooth, very easy to use. You don't even have to hold it to get into them. Super easy. It comes with a long adjustable crossbody strap in the treated black leather. And one of my biggest concerns was my World Tour Speedy, I felt was similar in comfort level crossbody to my Damier Ebene Speedies. And I don't find Damier Ebene straps in general to be that comfortable depending upon how big the bag is. But this one, it's actually really soft. It's a lot softer than my Speedy one was, way softer. And it's adjustable and it's thicker. So the thickness of this really is what makes this for me. The inside of the bag came with a little booklet and the little cards. So it was $1,770 US, and the model number is M45353. So there is that. And then just the rest of the little tags: coated fabric, cowhide, leather trim, man-made lining. So the inside is also that fabric lining in black, and there is one pretty big slit compartment. I'm not sure that my lights will get into there. And then on the very back side, I've never seen this before, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. Hopefully, is that, I can't look and see if it's showing. If it doesn't show, I will insert a picture of that. So it has the black leather at the four corners. It has the black leather piping in the V, kind of reminds me of my old Palace that I used to have. And then it runs down along the bottom of the bag, and the bag's nice and flat right here so that it will sit up nicely. Okay, so with the strap on, at the end of the strap here, it does say Louis Vuitton Paris. That will show up hopefully. And the zipper pulls say Louis Vuitton Paris, and on both sides of the clips it says Louis Vuitton Paris as well. And one of the things that I am very impressed with about this, which Jerusha also pointed this out in her video, is that the hardware matches, unlike the Speedies. The Speedies, they give you the O-rings, just they don't match, and the zippers don't match. This all matches the nice shiny gold hardware. And if I forgot to say in the mod shots, I am 5'6" for reference. So I'm just gonna put exactly into the bag right now what I put in it at Louis Vuitton today. I just took all the contents of my Montaigne BB out and put it in and tried it on. And so in this, I love this compartment. This magnetic compartment, I'm going to put my iPhone X. There's plenty of room in there for other things. I have my Longchamp toiletry pouch. I have my Longchamp coin purse. That down in there. I didn't carry a whole lot with me today. I have my keys in my Louis Vuitton clay. For the wallet, I have been using my Hermes Calvi card holder. See in there? I've got my tissue. I do not know where my gum is. I did not bring my gum today. I have some Sephora blotting wipes because of the mass. And then I have my Hermes Bastia with a Clippa bag hook. See all that down in there very easily. And then, of course, my sunglasses. And zip this up. And it's not too heavy. It is not too bulky. It is not bulging out at all. I'm just super excited about this. I have tons of luggage tags that I can change this out and put different colors on. I think it's so cute. And I think it's really, really well made. It has been a long time since a new release Louis Vuitton bag has gotten to me. The last one was the Empreinte Alma BB. And that was last fall, so it has been a while. But I did want another monogram piece back in my collection. No Vacetta. So I really love the black with this. I think it's absolutely stunning. Stunning. But thank you for letting me share. I hope you're having a great day today. I will go into more depth on this later and turn the camera around and really truly show you what fits. But that was a lot of stuff. I mean, the Montaigne BB is way, way, way bigger than this one, and it has everything in there. Granted, I didn't have that one to capacity, but that's fine. So anyways, have an amazing day. I hope to talk to you again very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.